Hey folks, Jearbear here again. This time, and I promised this in my preview for the season, we're gonna do a lot of hunting this year, and thank God that I got a license this year, driver's license that is, and I got a truck. I'm gonna introduce her to you in just a second, but um, first off, we are in Unionville, aka number 7, if you guys don't know. And we're just taking one of the back roads that they're going to, and it takes us right out to my friend Dylan Witten's father's pit. Um, um, it which that connects. This whole road goes from Unionville, and it goes right behind my house, matter of fact, and then it goes all the way to Tunk Pond or Tunk Lake Road, whatever. I know I just call it Tunk Lake. But no, on the road I'm on right now, there have been a lot, and I stress a lot, of bird shot on this road. It is a honey hole for birds. Honestly, this is one of my best spots for hunting. But no, but today, folks, we're using the old Mossberg 20 gauge. You can get it at any Walmart or any Dick's Sporting Goods. Honestly, it's probably one of the best guns I've owned ever in my life, out of my 410 and everything. I also have the 410 in my truck. I'm not using it though. I just carry it just in case somebody else wants to go. But no, I'm driving my F-150 today, the classic F-150, 1993. She is a classic, folks. I stress she is a classic. I mean, she is just a classic truck. Everybody wanted one when they came out, so it's a common truck on the road today. But she is one of a kind, I swear to God. You can literally say it. There's no way else around it. She is one of a kind. She has a four-wheel drive front, but she's two-wheel drive. So, it's a one of a kind thing. It's, she's a gem. Everything works on her. Has 2 gas tanks, of course. Like that model of this truck. That's the only downfall to it, was the rear gas tank. It always get a hole in it. Always. You'd get a hole in it, and either out of rust, and that's what's happened to mine. I think it's had a hole in it, but I don't know. But she works. It's a nice truck, like I said. But the nickname for her is Big Blue. I'm giving her that nickname for 2 reasons. One, she's half blue. She has a gray stripe. And 2, that was the nickname my cousin Jacob Knowles gave me in baseball. Because I weighed over 300 pounds, or 290 or something, freshman year when he played. And he was there for a JV game, and he called me Big Blue when I batted. But no, I don't. It's a nice truck. But alright. Let's get on with the introducing. Back to the hunting. Here she is, folks. The old Jearbear Gem is what this is. I stress, this is a Jearbear Gem. No way else around it. This is Big Blue, people. This is Big Blue. That's Big Blue. And she is my honey. Because you can't go wrong with a Ford. Even though I'd like to have a GMC. But, I got what I got. So, let's get back to the hunting. Hey, folks. Well, I haven't seen anything really since I last checked in with you. I don't know. Things are outsmarting me today. I don't know. This little bastards are good. I just don't know. It's disappointing. I'm not trying to ignore the camera, folks. I'm just doing a bit of looking. Looking and watching. And the funny part is when you see them, they run like a road runner, for Christ's sake. No joke, they run like the road runner. They're not stupid, in other words. They're not. They're terribly not stupid. They're smart. They're going to adapt, is what they do. They adapted to it. It's a bit disappointing. Seen two of them little bastards today. Couldn't really get a shot off at each of them, and then they just go off and, you know, fly away. I don't know, I guess I would too if I was gonna get shot or killed. I don't know about you fellas guys, but I would. I don't know, folks. But I can tell you this. This ain't the first video you're gonna see of me hunting. I'm gonna have a bunch actually. A good chunk of them. I might have 4 more, but once deer hunting season comes around, I might get a few videos of them. I'm not sure. I have one right here, folks. See, these partridge, they like these dirt roads for pebbles and stuff. They eat the pebbles. I don't know why. I guess it breaks down their food or something. Why the hell would you eat rocks or stones of any kind? Huh. I guess they are classified under the dumbest bird. I don't know. I'm just saying they're not very smart. That's why we can shoot them so easy. But if you're me right now, you could be stumping yourself and hitting yourself right in the ass because you've seen 2, and you couldn't get a shot at it. But that stuff happens, folks. Hunting takes time and energy. You're not gonna get the deer by just wishing and hoping. Same with partridge. You're not gonna see one just by wishing and hoping. You're gonna see one out of luck. People go their whole lives. I know one guy that's gone his whole life hunting. He's like 70 something, and he has not shot one deer. Not one deer. He's gone every single year. He's wounded about 3 or 4. He just hasn't not shot one deer yet. You know, it's too bad too. It is too bad. It is because, you know, I wish everybody could get just one deer. I can't say much. I've wounded two. And oh yeah, folks, we're hitting the bumpy roads. But no, I've wounded two myself. And, shot a ton of birds. But this year we're gonna do a lot of deer hunting. I can tell you that. So I don't know. Let's just hopefully. Oh, right here, folks. Fucking got one. I'll be right back. Folks, we got some good news. I just shot one bird. I'm not gonna be able to show you it because I've been warned by YouTube that I can't show you this because it'll disturb you or something. I can't show you it. Sorry. I'm really sorry, folks, but I did get one bird. He's a good sized bird. But no, he did good. He just was in a tree. I just got out, as you saw. I walked a little ways on foot, and I saw him in a tree branch. He was about to fly, and I let him have it. He got the old Mossberg, folks. But that's one out of three. It's 1 out of 3, folks. 1 out of 3. But until then, I'm the Jearbear 2895, and good night.
Don't rock the jukebox, I wanna hear some Jones, 'cause my heart ain't ready for the road